Oh, you got your gimbal.
Runs
Oh,
right into that.
great.
Because
Yeah, I want to use mine. I want to fix it. So does mine, you have the.
it's time,
Take it.
America, it's time for the big gift, everyone. Now this is gonna have to take everybody's
Oh, no, it's
attention.
from me?
Race it out, please.
All right.
This is it. This is the one. Right here it is, folks. Historic.
Drum roll.
Oh boy. Sit over here so we can see it in the big camera, please.
All right.
So I'm gonna make it so I can do a short too. So
Oh,
I got you right in the middle.
Oh, but it's not turned.
It's not turned, no.
And this came late.
I've had this ordered a long time. This is special.
Do you know what it is?
Nobody knows what it is. I did so well keeping it a secret. Pretty good wrapping, America.
Oh, well, you got a little.
No, I mean all the tape.
No,
How about that?
No, what I'm saying is you got a little of
How
your
about
mom.
that beautiful blue tape?
Got a little of your mom in there.
Painter's tape right there.
Remember, Faye used to really tape a lot. Yes, she did.
I think you're gonna get a lot of likes on YouTube with this one.
Now you gotta open it all over again.
The
Open the
deals
top
are
end.
popping. Scan to save.
No,
Whatever.
that's the other end for the blue
Oh,
tape. Just
oh.
pop it open.
Oh, will it actually open?
I had to open it to
Oh,
take it
yeah.
out to make sure everything was good.
Right.
So.
What? Oh my god. What is that?
What is that?
It's
Oh
the dude.
my god.
Oh, we were just watching that last
I
night.
know.
There's this-
Wait till you see it.
That's-
And I have my dude.
What is it?
It's a stat. It's perfect. It's an action
It's
figure
probably a
collectible.
bowling pin or something. It's all the way.
Shut
It's got
up.
the dude.
That is awesome.
Holy cow. And I gotta
I'm
show
so
Lori
jealous of
because
that. What is that? Hurry up.
the dude for 45 years.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's cool.
I've been the dude for 45 years.
Hold it
Lori.
up.
Yeah.
That is.
Put it kind of closer to you so I can get you. There we go. Let me get right in there. There it is. Yeah, it's
Here.
fully posable. It's got all the heads and hands and everything in the bowling ball.
Hold on.
Oh my god, that is awesome.
Welcome to the world of collectibles now. All right.
Here, look
Too
at
bad
me.
you don't have your G.I. Joe with the full beard.
I've got it, but it's in
And
storage.
$6 million man too. Hey, dude.
Let me zoom
Where
in
you
real
can
close.
put? Where you gonna put it, huh? You gotta put it on display somewhere.
I know.
Okay.
You can
Maybe
put it
the
in your
mantle.
glass,
Oh man.
or you by the TV.
Okay, we're going to sign off here. So I can print you a shelf. I was going to just
Oh,
print
yeah.
one, but I didn't know if you want to put a screw in your wall
Look
and
at
put it on a shelf, or
That would, yeah. Put it right there.
and everybody, I almost like have to.
let me get a
face
picture. I got to get a
too.
picture of it
Right.
real quick.
That's funny. Where'd
Look
you
at the
get
rug on the
Same
side.
place I got all my action figures that she bitched about all summer. You wasted all your time and money on them stupid figurines. I thought, all right.
How about, you know,
Look at the rug on the
before-
side of the box.
It's got everything.
he
Yeah.
got me
The
the
rug.
rug. That's the rug.
I came in. Was it yesterday when you had it on?
that? Yeah.
And I'm like, oh my god, I had to keep my mouth shut.
Oh, I
I'm like,
bet.
oh
Look at
god.
the bowling ball.
How did I
The
do?
whole thing is
That's
great.
awesome.
That's
I
good.
can't even believe you found something like that.
It was not cheap.
I've never
Help
seen.
me.
That's cool. That's a good one. Good job.
Yeah.
See, I don't know her.